What is Java? Java is a programming language and computing platform that's used to create applications, software and websites. Java is a multi-platform object-oriented programming language that's based on C and C++. It's used to create applications for smartphones, enterprises software and more. Java is used to create mobile apps, enterprises software, big data applications, server side technologies, uh, chatbots and marketing tools, web application, artificial intelligence and internet of things. Java is known of being robust. Java emphasizes exception handling and type ex, type safety to prevent errors. It also has a garbage collection of automatically free of memory. Java is a simple language. Simple Java is designed to be easy to learn and master. Java is a multi-threaded. Java programs can run separately but execute simply simplicize air who is used to air bum Pinterest, Umber, Spotify, Amazon, Google, Microsoft. You can download Java for free for personal use. Developers can find development kits and other tools. What is the Java? Java is a widely used to object oriented programming language and software platform that runs on billions of devices, including notebook computers, mobiles devices, gaming consoles, medical devices, and many others. The rules and syntax of Java based on the C and C++ language. Java is a multi-platform object-oriented programming language that runs on billions of devices worldwide. It powers applications, smartphone operating systems, enterprises software of many why Java is platform independent programming language is popular due to its write once run anywhere functionality. It is a platform independent language, which means it can be used to develop and to end mobile or desktop application that run on different servers operating systems. Java is a object oriented popular programming is about writing procedure or methods that perform operation on the data, while object oriented programming is about creating that contain both data and methods. Java is use of Java include game development. Many popular mobile computer and video games are built in Java. Cloud computing Java is often referring to as word write once and run anywhere, making it perfect for decentralized cloud-based applications. Java programming language is used for backend development based on the training from Java online course. Browsers don't understand other language other than HTML, CSS, and JS. So other programming language like Java, PHP, Python, Python, and Node.js all runs on the server. Java is a block of code that, when called, performs specific actions mentioned in it. For instance, if you have written instructions to draw a circle in the method, it will do a task. You can insert values to parameters into the methods. They will only be only be encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction con- constitute the fundamental of its object-oriented programming. Uh, Together, they provide a robust framework for creating modulars. Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. It was released in May 1995 as a core components of Sun's Java platform. The original and reference implementations, Java compilers, virtual machines, and class libraries were originally released by Sun under properties